The nepotism debate in Bollywood got heated up after the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Nepotism exists in all industries and professions, and not just in the entertainment industry. However, despite the glamour and the glitz, Bollywood often comes under fire over a range of issues including nepotism. Before we reveal the names of Bollywood actors who broke silence on nepotism in the industry, we request you to please subscribe to our channel, The Vocal News. Imran Hashmi agrees that nepotism exists and he is a product of nepotism. His uncle Mahesh Bhatt launched him in 2003 with the film Footpath. In an interview with Hindustan Times, he agreed that nepotism exists in the film industry and that he got a break because of it. He said if his uncle Mahesh Bhatt hadn't been there, he wouldn't have been an actor. In an interview with Pink Villa, Kriti Sanon revealed that she was once replaced by a star kid in a film. She also spoke about how being an outsider with no filmy connections has affected her career. In an interview with PTI, Rajkumar Rao said that favoritism is there and it is present everywhere. But he said his only problem is when he sees non-talented actors getting a chance in films and that he wants to see the talent on screen. Called the father of nepotism, Karan Johar in an interview said that he has not got any credit for introducing aspiring and new filmmakers to Bollywood. He said, "It seems like we are criminals. It's like everywhere we are slapped with legal notices as we are children of parents who are within the film industry." Kangana Ranaut once called Karan Johar flag bearer of nepotism on his chat show. Since then, the topic has never died. She said that the Bollywood kids don't know that it takes almost 10 years to build an audience and to get a critic. She said that the star kids already start from a point where they have everything and they are not aware of the fact that for an outsider it can take his entire life to reach the starting point. Ananya Pandey said in an interview to Hindustan Times that she feels star kids have an advantage and they get to meet people. She said that they have easier access to people from the industry as they have grown up around them. Ayushmann Khurrana told the HuffPost in an interview that if he would have made his debut at the age of 22, he would have been a star kid. He made his debut with Vicky Donor at the age of 27. In an interview with Mumbai Mirror, Taapsee Pannu said she was once replaced overnight in a film without being given a reason and it was disheartening. She said she deserves an answer. Alia Bhatt said at an event that her connection to the family has made things easy for her. She agreed that nepotism exists and said it exists in Bollywood, the business world and during admissions in schools as well. Ranbir Kapoor accepts the existence of nepotism in Bollywood. He said his great-grandfather worked hard so that he could give his children the opportunity to do something in life, so on and so forth, and it came to him. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News and don't forget to like, comment and share. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com to catch all the latest news.